Hi everyone, I'm LB from Meadowlark Log Homes, and this is John Ferraro.
Hi.
He says hi. We're taking his first load of logs off this truck. And this is the first load coming from Meadowlark. And what's your house? Custom, isn't it?
It is.
Totally custom. It's like a Ferrari, but it's a Ferraro.
Long time in the making, so glad it's here.
So this is the first load coming. We're going to unload in this cul-de-sac at the bottom of his property. Get the logs unloaded, and Joe the trucker's got to go and get 3 more loads, and we're going to take them up that mountain.
First load of 4. We get them off the truck, stage them in this cul-de-sac, and weather's supposed to break around 8 o'clock, and we'll make a decision on whether we want to bring them up the hill or not.
Hi, my name is John Ferraro. Originally purchased the property around 2007, 2008. Searched hard and long on the property, carrying around a 24-foot extension ladder, climbing trees, trying to get a view. And we finally decided to settle on this one, and I'm glad we picked it. My wife and I were very, very happy. They brought the crane last Wednesday, and then due to the weather, we couldn't stack Thursday or Friday. They got a full day in on Saturday, and they're making headway today. Heard nothing but great things about the company. Met with Elvie multiple times, and just felt comfortable with them. It's 40 by 40 square, full basement and a loft. The craftsmanship, the log quality, everything is just over the top. So when we designed the home, we were looking for a big grand appearance, and you guys nailed it with the logs. I mean, they're beautiful.
Yeah, I'm Joseph Miller. We're here building a custom chalet for John Ferraro, John and Val. great people. It's a 40 by 40 custom chalet with a full upstairs loft and some upper balconies, an attached carport. It's a pretty fun project. We're up here on a mountain in Montana in the snow. Get things rolling here with logs, so it's going pretty good. Our main issues have just been cold weather and ice, so we have some ice buildup on our logs. They cover the logs, but the ends are a little bit snowy and icy, and there's a couple bundles that busted open during shipping. So those took a little bit of work to get them thawed out and get the ice off the logs. But otherwise, this week is much nicer than last week. We started in pretty frigid temperatures, but it's warming up, so we're pretty thankful.
Are we touching?